The year 2020 was tough on the entire world. The year was battered by COVID 19, financial crisis, and natural calamities. Speaking of natural calamities, India in particular was the second worst affected in Asia. And the reason why we say this is because of a report by World Meteorological Organization. WMO's State of the Climate in Asia report throws light on the extent of damage inflicted on India by natural calamities. The details unveiled by the report are startling and unbelievable to say the least. While we stayed home when India was under the grip of the pandemic, natural disasters like floods, cyclones, and droughts wreaked havoc outside. In 2020, India lost about $87 billion due to such disasters. 2020 has been a disastrous year. China lost about $237 billion due to natural disasters. On the second spot after China is India with an $87 billion loss due to disasters. After India, Japan follows with about $83 billion, and then comes Korea and Pakistan with $24 billion and $15 billion respectively. The COP26 UN summit is just around the corner. Even before the world leaders meet, we have a report on how climate change has impacted us. Also, last year was the warmest year on record in Asia, with a mean temperature 1.39 degrees Celsius above the 1981 to 2010 average. Many extreme heat waves, including an all-time record of 38 degrees Celsius, were recorded in Russia. The Arctic Circle also reported the highest temperature during those heat waves. In May 2020, Cyclone Amphan was among the strongest of cyclones recorded in recent times. It hit the suburban regions in India and Bangladesh, which displaced about 2.4 million people in India and 2.5 million people in Bangladesh. The report also states that cyclones affected densely populated areas in South Asia and East Asia. Monsoon rains, intense cyclones, and floods hit densely populated South Asian nations like India, China, Bangladesh, Japan, Pakistan, Nepal, and Vietnam last year. All these events mark the beginning of the end, and we are literally living on borrowed time. It's now or never. The world leaders must take a call for a better future, and if they don't, even the gods can't save this planet.